Hey guys, my name is RIKO, and on this channel we talk about the hottest crypto projects and launches. And today I'm going to show you extremely bullish new crypto trading tool that allows you to find the best crypto call groups online on Telegram. And also you can start copy trading these callers, these calls using the same bot with extremely fast transaction speeds. But before that, I need to remind you, not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. Always do research, and let's check out today's crypto trading bot.
Get money.
As I mentioned in the beginning, today we are talking about amazing crypto trading, copy trading tool called Dexcelerate. And I believe if you implement this tool to your crypto trading strategy, I think you can actually get pretty good gains because you can find the best trading groups and copy trade them, because it's really important to actually be early for these calls. And also this platform, this bot will allow you to connect your own Telegram and actually copy trade any group you're following with instant speeds. Again, really great if you have some VIP groups, some influencer groups, or if you're following just some Telegram caller groups. So first of all, let's jump into the main page to learn about the features, the team, and later I'm going to show you how the bot works and how I personally set it up for my own use. So Dexcelerate.com, you can find all the links in the description to follow what I'm doing on the screen. Effortlessly trading with real-time data and advanced automation. You can see how their dashboard actually looks. And right now, actually in the market, there are not that many options for the web browser-based trading bots. We have BullX, which is, I would say, worse because it doesn't offer some of the features. We also have AutoSnipe. Of course, this bot has way more features. And this is why I believe right now in the market, this is the best option with the best features. And they have some really unique features. Also, transactions are pretty cheap and they're extremely fast. Again, all the features you need when you're looking for your next platform to start trading. So you can see how it all looks, and we have some of the features. So first of all, automated trading bots. Maximize your profits 24/7 with customizable bots that execute your strategies. So basically, if you find some good callers, you can actually set up their bot, and the bot will automatically buy and sell, and you can adjust multiple settings to your liking. Next up, they have ultra fast transactions, and this is really important when you're copy trading. You have to buy as early as possible and also sell as early as possible if you're copying someone else, because of course there's other people trying to copy, and if you're late, of course you're buying more expensive, and if you're late to sell, of course you're making less profit. After that, real-time data and insights. Telegram integration, as I mentioned, you can actually connect your personal Telegram and copy any group of your liking and track influencers in real time. And this is actually a really bullish feature. I haven't seen any bots even attempt this, but you can find all of the caller groups and you get lots of statistics, analytics about their past calls, and you can actually make really good informed decisions who to copy trade and what groups to follow. After that, if we scroll down, you can see they have all the popular chains. Also, you can see they have 20,000 plus tokens. Transaction speed time is 3 seconds. And what's really unique about this project, the team is not anonymous, and actually they have pretty big team, and they have the links for each of the team members. Again, really bullish because other bots are kind of hiding. The teams are anonymous, and with this platform, they're super transparent. They have all the guides, all tutorials, and even the team public, which is again really good because your funds are safe. And later I'm going to talk about more safety features they implemented to actually keep you as safe as possible. So now let's jump into their bot, and I will show you how it all looks from the inside and how to actually set it up, and how actually I personally set it up. So first of all, when you jump into the bot, you get this dashboard, and we have lots of different buttons. I'll explain you some of the buttons I use personally. So let's jump into scanner, and right here you can find all the tokens right now we have in the market. You can of course filter it to the newest, the top gainers, top losers, age, liquidity, all the typical filtering options are here. Next up, we have pump.fund button. So if you click right here, it's really similar to BullX, a bot where you can actually find the newly created tokens. You can find tokens that are about to reach bonding curve and tokens that reach the bonding curve and they are graduated. So basically, again, we have all the filtering options. If you've been following my channel, I showed you many times how I filter these free pages to my liking and how I find gems. So don't forget to subscribe. Next up, we have channels. And this is actually one of the unique offerings of this platform, because right here you can find all the different influencer caller groups this platform is tracking. And you can see we have information like highest returns, calls, wins, losses, and rugs, and even the win ratio. So let's jump in right here to filter out some of these, I would say, worst groups. So let's go, for example, in the past 7 days, and let's add, for example, in the past 7 days, they had 20 calls. Let's see who is the top winner. So right now we have Maestro's Gamble. The highest returns were 32x. He made 24 calls. 16 of these calls were wins, and he has a win ratio of almost 67%. And you can see all the other traders. Of course, you can compare. And now if you want to start copy trading, of course, the first thing, we need to fund our wallet. So right here on top, you can actually connect your wallet. I'm using Solana. Let's click right here. So on the top, you can see the balance of your wallet, of your Phantom wallet. But if you want to start copy trading using this platform, you have to open slots right here. So I have one slot, which has $80. You can create another slot. And basically these slots are like smart contracts, which again is a safety feature. If you compare it to BullX or other platforms, you actually send money to them, which is not great, of course. And this is one of the reasons why they're using these smart contracts to keep the clients, of course, happy and safe. So if you want to fund these slots, you can click right here. Where is the button? Right here. Yeah, select how much and deposit. So let's go, for example, Solana. You can put it to dollars. You can put 70 and confirm. And basically, this is how we deposit funds. I already have $80 in this slot. And if you want, you can create multiple slots with the same account and use different strategies. So, okay, we have $80 in our slot. Let's jump in back. So let's click on the Maestro's Gamble. Right here, we have the button copy trade, and we also have all the past, I would say, calls of this group. You can see this group is actually doing pretty decent in the past days. So let's copy his trades. Let's copy trade. Next up, you remember, we just funded our slot with Solana. So let's click right here and let's put in, I don't know, like $50. So you can see one slot is green. We're going to be copy trading $50. And we can add targets. And basically, these are really important settings, and you have to adjust these settings how you like it. So I will show you how I do it. So first of all, we can add targets. For example, when the price increases 50%, how much of position do you want to sell? So let's go 50%, 50. Add another target. When the position goes up by 100%, let's go sell 25%. And let's go put the last one. When the position is up 200%, let's sell the 25% remaining of our allocation. Again, really simple settings. I would say pretty low settings. If you want to, of course, do 10, 20x, this will not work for you, but you can adjust these settings how you want, or you can even not target them. After that, we have a really important setting, basically stop loss. So you can see when the price decreases by what percentage, how much of the position do you want to sell. So for example, when the position goes down by 30%, let's sell 100%. Just to be on the safe side. These are safe settings. Again, you're not gonna be millionaire with them, but these are safer. Again, not financial advice. Don't copy anything I'm doing on the screen. Just a disclaimer. Next up, we have shields. So you can set up the maximum buy and maximum sell fees. You can set up the gas fees, the speed. So if you're playing with bigger amounts, I recommend you going higher. So for example, yeah, you can see 9 Gwei. If you go for Solana, you can see Solana. If you use Base or BSC, you will see the transaction fees, of course, in the coins you're using. So let's go with Solana. And with the slippage, you can use automatic or input yourself. I would use automatic and I would use medium to high, depending how much you're trading, copy trading. And of course, the bigger the amount, the higher the gas fee should be. And you can see again our slots. And we can start trading. Again, super easy. If we jump in now to the bots, you can see we have our bot ready and it will copy trade this group. Again, I think this is super easy to understand and super easy to do. And on the left, you can see all the different trades right now happening on the different groups. So you can see 1x, 2x. Let's see, for example, we have some of them going 3x, 20x. So you can see the call groups are doing pretty good. And of course, using this platform, you cut out all the hard work. You're just copying the winners and the platform does all the work for you, even when you're sleeping. Next up, as I mentioned, this Telegram group can copy trade any groups, even your personal groups, if you connect to Telegram. So for this example, I have Telegram connected. And let's search for the groups. So I created this test group. Test by group. And you can see I did 2 tests before shooting this video. But for example, let's buy some tokens. For example, we have this GemFinder token. Let's copy the contract address and we can go to Telegram and paste it in. You can see right here. Let's paste it. You can see it appeared right here in less than a second. And if you want to copy trade, for example, this test group, you can click right here. Auto, again, same settings, same priorities, same gas fees, slippage, just set it up and you're copying this group and you can see how fast it is. Basically, if you're using this bot, you're going to be faster than anybody trying to follow these call groups. And of course, this way you're maximizing your gains. And of course, this bot has way more features. You can see we have all the different tokens, again, pop.fun, all the filtering. But in my opinion, the main feature is actually these channels. We can find lots of colors and also connecting your personal Telegram to actually copy some of the VIP groups, some guys you like online. So guys, again, the link's in the description. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or join our free Telegram, the link in the description and top comment. Thanks for watching, subscribe, see you next time.
Get money.